This is Tagalian TV. Now, it is kind of late, but I was looking back through some of my old YouTube videos, and I found an easy one. I guess I can do quick. How to contact a GM in less than a minute instead of waiting 1 to 2 business days, because it takes them about 2 days to reply back to like a ticket. But that is just a waste of time. But I'm gonna pretty much just show you how to do it, how to contact them within a couple of seconds instead of waiting 2 days. So pretty sure this video would be pretty good because the new patch just came out and there's a lot of people complaining again. So what you do, you go to the Blizzard website, top right, you sign in, or you could click on support, then sign in, whichever one works for you. But yeah, you sign in, then you click on support, and then you click on World of Warcraft. So, yeah, that's normally the one I just click on. You can click on the other ones, I believe, but this is the one I do. You click on World of Warcraft, you go to payments. Even if your issue isn't involved with payments, doesn't matter. You can just do it anyways. So you got these 5 options, right? Token, unauthorized, purchase, refunds, and not listed. Do the not listed. You could either do a live chat. The wait time 60 seconds. So 60 seconds. You could do a phone call, 5 to 10 minutes. You could do the ticket, which takes up to 2 days sometimes. So the video is 60 seconds. So live chat to GM in 60 seconds. You type in the reason why, like let's say my good bank was robbed, someone hacked it, I guess. I don't know, whatever reason you have, state it in that. If you want to, provide a screenshot and hit continue. And then a second window pops up of the live chat, and then you're done. Just like that. It only takes you about 40 seconds. And that's it. That's how you contact a GM in under a minute pretty much without wasting 2 days. But I'm gonna show you how to do it really quick, just because even though I don't need anything, what's a good reason? I need to think of a good reason. If I can. Alright, so really I don't want to refund them because I did get 2 legendaries, but you hit continue. Hit continue, and this little live chat pops up. And then you're good. That's it. You just talk to the GM. Just like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna cancel the call. Like the thing. There we go. YouTube. How to contact a contact support less than 60 seconds. He's probably gonna get pissed at me, but we'll see. Let's see if I'm actually if he gets pissed or if he's okay with it. This is normally the way I did it in the past. Not listed here. Well, you go to payments, not listed, and then this pops up. That's pretty much it though. If this video did help you out, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you want to see any more content, I'm a variety streamer, so I do multiple things. Go ahead and subscribe for that. If you'd like to join the Discord, just PM me like a direct message. I'll invite you to the Discord. And I believe that's it. If you want more information about me, you can check out the website www.targaryentv.com. What just happened? John? Oh shit. John just donated almost $70. Holy shit. Fuck. It's not supposed to be a live stream, it's just a video, but thanks again, John. I'll contact you in a moment, saying my regards and thank you. I'm gonna end this video really quick. But yeah.